All right, the next section we've got is about electric currents and how they produce magnetic fields. Go ahead and leave a space in your notes with number 10. We're going to do some demos in class. But the main idea from this section, and you'll see it, is that in the late 1700s, scientists are like, hey, I'm noticing some weird junk going on around when I have electric current flowing through wires. And then this dude named Hans Christian Ørsted was like, yo, hold my wire, check this out. And you're going to see it in one of the demos. We have a wire with current running through it, and we have compasses around it. And what happens is you notice the compasses will realign themselves based on when current is flowing through the wire and the direction. And because of that, we came up with this thing called the right-hand rule. Now, I know as Dublin students, you may not recognize this, but it's basically a science gang sign. What happens is you can determine the direction of a magnetic field based on how you use your right hand. So this shows the direction of positive charge flowing. So conventional current like we see in our problems. If I have a wire and I have current flowing up it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to point my thumb in the direction of the current, and then my hand's going to wrap around the wire, and that's going to show me the direction of the magnetic field. So here, current is flowing up. I wrap my hand like this. The current or the magnetic field is going around it like that. Here I have a loop of wire. In this case, let's say the front is over here, the back of the wire is there. What I do is I wrap my hand in the direction of current. So for straight wire, thumb is the current. For loop, hand is the current. Whatever the one is left is going to be your magnetic field. So in this one, my loop goes like this. It wraps out of the page towards you, which means my magnetic field is going to flow this way. So what you see is the magnetic field flows through the loop on this one. So right-hand rule, just one more time to go over it. Straight wire, current goes straight up, hand wraps. And that gives me my magnetic field. In this one, current wraps around the loop. Magnetic field goes where the thumb goes. And that's it for how currents produce magnetic fields.